times, but it's been reasonable. See, it's cool, she causes riots when she takes me to school. People drool when she's walking past before class. I always laugh, my friends divorced dads asking for an autograph. On the streets, cats glance at each other, speak of her. Some even ask my mother to sign a DVD cover. Everybody knows that every fella probably owns a poster of her if he's age 21 and over. The globe is heavy on her shoulder, she carries the weight. Kids get carried away, I couldn't care what they say, cause I don't want another mother, yeah, none could compare. She's stunning, she's rare, she's cunning, she's mom of the year. She puts men in a frenzy, the pretty woman women envy. She's willing and caring with me, she's witty and friendly. I really love her cooking, but you don't know the half. You don't know better than to fantasize about her ass. My mother's a porn star, and so what? It didn't change shit growing up. She knew how to raise a boy the right way, so fuck whatever you may say. My mother's a porn star, and so what? It didn't change shit growing up. She knew how to raise a boy the right way, so fuck whatever you may say. My mother's a star, she makes flicks for adults, but don't think she don't love my dad, this isn't a joke. We got moral standards, we a normal family, living happily. Fuck you and your porno fantasy. She makes sex tapes, and yes, I know they're X-rated, but she's never had to be explicit and explain it to me. I don't care if she got a wonderful booty. Why do you want Judy? I never wanted to watch one of her movies. My mama ain't some freaking filthy hookup, but if we look close at yours, I'm sure we'd fill a book up. Cause mom puts money on the table while your mother is unable to cope. Nasal full of coke, no wonder you're unstable. Make your silly jokes, huh? Keep up the battling. At least mine don't creep around sleeping with married men. She make it nude on the can, but won't be fooled by your man. Always do what she can to bring you to a nuclear fan. My mother's a porn star, and so what? It didn't change shit growing up. She knew how to raise a boy the right way.
Ouch! You got it in my eye. Oh. Get too fast. I like it fast. Wow, that really was great.
Yeah. Women judge each other with a look. Men judge a color and the cover of a book. And I judge the judge is my mother. Yeah, I'm a mother's boy. So reconsider or go fuck yourself, but don't take it literally, you dirty douchebag. Back the fuck off my fam, let us live our normal life. I'ma get back to mine, I gotta go kid. My mother's calling me, I gotta do the washing up. Tara Patrick was over for dinner, and I'm out, the cognac is waiting. My mother's a porn star, and so what? It didn't change shit growing up. She knew how to raise a boy the right way, so fuck whatever you may say. My mother's a porn star, and so what? It didn't change shit growing up. She knew how to raise a boy the right way, so fuck whatever you may say. My mother's a porn star, and so what?
In the end, being a mama's boy isn't such a bad thing.